And our today's lessons is all about addition and learn how to count 1 to 10 and subtracting. In this discussion, 75 hours of grade 1 pupils are expected to identify the adds and the sum of addition, show cooperation, and the following objects and numbers. For subject matter, ad- addition and learn how to count 1 to 10 subtracting, our materials are 3. Presentation, balls and melons, skills and numbers. And for our procedure, a preparation, the teacher will prepare lesson includes how to count 1 to 10 and adding and subtracting. For our motivation, the teacher will prepare a mathematical song to the pupil. That song was entitled 10 Little Fingers. Let's count 1 to 10 using our fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's add it and we have 10 little fingers. We can use it to snap, snap, snap. We can use it to clap, clap, clap. I can snap and I can clap. And now, I will present a tree count. How many trees are there? Okay, now, let's count one. How many trees are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now, how many trees are there? Yes, you are right. There are 10 trees. 1 plus 0 equals, yes, you're correct, 1. 1 plus 1 equals, yes, you're correct, 2. 1 plus 3 equals, yes, you're correct, 4. 1 plus 5 equals, yes, you're correct, 6. 1 plus 6 equals, yes, you're correct, 7. And 1 plus 8 equals, 9. And now, let's begin in subtraction. 10 minus 9 equals, yes, you're correct, it's 1. 10 minus 0 equals, yes, you're correct, it's 2. 10 minus 7 equals 7. 10 minus 6 equals 6. And 10 minus 2, 10 minus 5 equals, yes, you're correct, 5. And 10 minus 4 equals 4. And 10 minus 3 equals 2, 3. 10 minus 2 equals 2, yes, you're correct, 2. And 10 minus 0 equals to number 10. And now I will make two groups now, and you will answer this following. I will make two groups and you will answer this by group. In our first graph, para sa ating unang graph, meron ditong mga bola. Ang inyo lamang gagawin dito ay bilangin. Para naman sa grupong ikalawa, meron ditong melon. Ang inyong gagawin din ay katulad lamang ng unang pangkat at bibilangin nyo ito. Bibigyan ko kayo ng 5 minuto upang sagutan ito. Activity, get one sheet of paper and answer the following questions. For number 1, 5 plus 5 equals, again, for number 1, 5 plus 5 equals, for number 2, 5 minus 4 plus 3 equals, for number 2, 5 minus 4 plus 3 equals, and for number 3, 6 minus 2 plus 3 equals, again, for number 3, 6 minus 2 plus 3 equals, for number 4, 3 plus 4, for number 4, 3 plus 3 plus 4 equals, for number 4, 3 plus 3 plus 4 equals, and for last number, number 5, 4 plus 4 minus 7 equals, 4 plus 4 minus 7 equals, I will give you 10 minutes to answer these following questions. In a relation, I know that you have so many learned today, and now let's call student number 1 share about your thoughts and what lesson you learned in our discussion. For your homework, answer the following questions. Good luck. Adding and subtracting. For number 1, 9 plus 1 equals. Again, for number 1, 9 plus 1 equals. For number 2, 8 minus 2 equals. 8 minus 2 equals. 8 plus 2 equals. Again, 8 plus 2 equals. For number 4, 5 minus 4 equals. 5 minus 4 equals. For number 6, 4 plus 3 equals. Again, for number 6, 4 plus 3 equals. For number 7, 6 minus 3 equals. For number 7, 6 minus 3 equals. For number 8, 3 plus 5 equals. For number 8, 3 plus 5 equals. For number 9, 9 minus 7 equals. For number 9, 9 minus 7 equals. And for the last number, number 10, 10 minus 9 equals. 10 minus 9 equals. And hopefully you learned so many. Sa ako na marami kayo natutunan sa ating talakayan ngayong araw. Mag-iingat sa pag-uwi mga bata.